right, so I couldn't help myself. I had to figure this one out. This is red light, green light, and I'm just kind of doing the riffs here. So basically there's just two riffs during the song that I heard that were really prominent. So one was that just as simple rhythm. That simple rhythm thing. So let me show that to you just real quick, and then I'll show you the little flute melody thing. So you're just gonna play an E5 power chord. I just do index finger, second fret of A, and you just pluck the E and the A string simultaneously. So you're just gonna do that, and then kind of mute after that. So you can just set your hand down on the strings. And then you're gonna play just second fret of E string by itself, so your index finger just jumps up for that. And then you play a G chord, but you don't really need a full G chord here. So what I'm doing for G is just setting middle finger down, third fret of low E, and then I kind of mute out the A string with the bottom of my middle finger. And that's probably honestly all you need. You could just do it like that. So you could be like, you know, and just see if you can get like that D and that G in there a little bit. And if you can't, if you can, add your ring finger, third fret of B, pinky, third fret of high E. I mean, you could do the whole chord if you want. That might sound cool too. So the second time through, you got to grab that second fret of the A string. All right. So you're just going to play that single note second fret of the A string. So it kind of alternates back and forth. So you got. And it starts over. Now, I suppose if you wanted to just simplify this with chords, you could maybe do like an E minor. You could do something like that. That doesn't really sound like the song, but you could do E minor to G like that. So middle finger, or sorry, index finger, second fret of A, middle finger, second fret of D. So you would just be like down, 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 up, down, up. Then you'd go to G, so your index finger could stay where it is. Middle finger jumps up to third fret of low E, ring finger, third fret of B, pinky, third fret of high E. Same thing, down, 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 up, down, up. So you'd be like. And that's one way that could work if you just want to strum it, but I kind of like. Just sounds better to me. Getting into the little flute riff. So it's kind of fun to play. It's kind of hard to play though. So we're going to be playing in an E minor scale up high on the neck. Well, not too high, 7th fret. But you're going to start with your middle finger, 8th fret of the B. All right, so you're going to just pluck that note. All right, middle finger, 8th fret of the B. Then you're going to set your pinky down on the 10th fret of the B. And you're going to pluck. All right, so we've got. So after you pluck, you pull back to middle finger, 8th fret of B, and then pull to index finger, 7th fret of B. So you're going 10, pull to 8, pull to 7. So you got. One more time. All right. Then ring finger sets down 3rd fret. I'm sorry, ring finger sets down 9th fret of the G. Okay, so you've got. One more time. All right. Then you're going to do a walk up that goes like this. So you're going 7th fret of G, 9th fret of G, 7th fret of B, 8th fret of B, 10th fret of B. So all together so far we've got. Then we're going to do the first riff again. Okay, so it's kind of like a riff sandwich. You got the first riff, then the walk up, then the bottom of the sandwich. All right. All right. Now we got a riff that goes like this, which I think is the hardest riff in the song. So what I'm doing, setting pinky down 10th fret of high E, ring finger, 10th fret of B. So you're going. Then you got to reach your index finger back to 7th fret of E. So you've got. Then middle finger sets down 8th fret of B. Okay, so back to that starting note of the riff. Then pinky, 10th fret of B. All right. So that was all together. One more time, a little slower. So everything so far. All right. So right after that, you got to do the first riff one more time. Then you do the walk up again. Now we got a variation coming up right here. We go, so we're going 7th fret of high E, index finger, middle finger, 8th fret of B, ring finger, 9th fret of G. So right after you do that, you've got this. So it's like a flutter. It's just a series of hammer-on pull-offs. So what you're doing, you set your index finger 7th fret of the B, you pluck, and you hammer middle finger down to 8th fret, and then pull off, hammer, pull off, hammer, pull off, hammer. All right. It's hard playing flute riffs. All right, so we've got all together, we've got. All right, so hopefully that helps you get a good start on this song. Please hit the like and subscribe and the notification bell so I can keep making these videos for you all, and I will see you on the next one.